Hi, I'm attorney Jonathan Paul, and I help clients every single day here in Michigan who are charged with drunk driving offenses. If you or someone in your life has been charged with a serious but manageable offense, I encourage you to visit my website, DUIPlaybook.com. My website is an educational resource for you as the consumer to better understand your case, to better understand different defenses, techniques, and strategies that you may be able to employ inside the courtroom. You'll also learn about what you can do outside of the courtroom to put yourself in the best position to work with the prosecutor, the judge, and the police department on a result that is satisfactory to you. All the clients have different goals when they come to a drunk driving case, and we'll discuss those goals and different paths to get to those goals. I've recently written the Michigan DUI Playbook. It's available on Amazon.com. There's information on my website. It's a comprehensive guide that kind of puts everything together on how I help clients with their cases. On my website, I encourage you to click on the 5-star defense. It's a 10-step program that allows you to better understand how I help clients every single day with the same type of case that you're charged with. I then want you to click over to the client application where you'll provide information about your case and about your background. You'll see that I take on about 100 DUI cases every single year. I am very selective in the clients that I take on because my resources are limited and I need to focus on every single case that I take on at the maximum level. On this page, there's a video to click on. We'll walk through the process together. You'll send me the information that I need, and then I will call you or email you back with what I think about your case. From there, if we're a good fit, we'll have the opportunity to meet and discuss working together. So if you're charged with the DUI defense in Michigan, I encourage you to contact me, and I look forward to helping you.
The 15th District Court is located in Ann Arbor, Michigan. The court is based in Washtenaw County and is located at 301 East Huron Street. The judges at the 15th District Court are the Honorable Joseph Burke, Elizabeth Hines, and Karen Volvo. There are 2 different prosecutors for the Ann Arbor Court. The case will either be charged by the City of Ann Arbor or the Washtenaw County Prosecutor's Office. The arresting agencies for the 15th District Court are the City of Ann Arbor, the Washtenaw County Sheriff, Michigan State Police, and the University of Michigan Public Safety Department. For this court, some cases will begin with an active warrant for the arrest of the defendant, while other cases will have an arraignment date for the defendant to appear before the court for bond to be set, and the case to begin. With an attorney on your case, it's very likely that this court would allow the arraignment to be waived, and a pre-trial to be set in the future. If the court insists on an active warrant, you would simply arrange to go with your attorney. With the arraignment, and/or the warrant now in the past, it's time to gather every piece of information about your case. This is done with the discovery process, and your attorney works with the prosecutor and police to obtain all evidence. Now that we better understand the strengths and weaknesses of the case, it's time to create leverage, using our out-of-court proactive approach, along with the contents of the case itself. In order to obtain the best result in your case, a decision must be made between resolution with the prosecution, and a strong focus on obtaining the best sentence from the court, or setting the matter for a pre-trial motion, for trial. The 15th District Court is a really good court to work with, because the judges and prosecutors are very open-minded to clients being proactive, and changing the perception of themselves from day one. I always tell clients that you're going to be treated like a human by the judges, prosecutors and the probation department. It is a court that truly has the best interest of the client at heart, even though it may not always feel that way. If you or someone in your life is charged with a crime at the 15th District Court, give me a call or send me an email. I've written various books on exactly what you're charged with, and what you're going through right now. I spent years as a prosecutor, and I switched to the defense side, because I saw too many good, hard-working folks who are not criminals, but rather good-hearted and responsible people, but in the moment end up on the wrong side of the law. I worked with thousands of defense lawyers that were not humanizing their clients, or giving them an opportunity to change the perception of who they are. Someone charged with a crime should not solely be judged on that one moment in time. I really enjoy helping people turn a negative experience into a moment of growth and opportunity. We cannot change the past, but we do control the present, and the future. If you're open to hard work, and a second chance, I look forward to helping.
A Michigan super drunk charge is punishable by 180 days, whereas a regular drunk driving offense is punishable by 93 days. A super drunk also has a mandatory 1-year treatment requirement, which will prevent a probation less than 12 months.
A Michigan super drunk is a 365-day license suspension, with the first 45 days being a hard suspension. The balance of 320 days are eligible for a restricted driving, but requirement an expensive interlock to be on your vehicle to drive.